This is a 2017 Morgana DigiFold Pro 385 paper folding and creasing machine with deep pile feeder, which is air assisted or airflow assisted and suction assisted for better feed. This unit can produce up to 6,000 sheets per hour on letter sized paper. Power requirements are 100 to 240 volts. We have a color graphical user interface. We'll demonstrate it operating. If you have any questions, you could call and contact our sales department or visit us at boggsequipment.com. Or if it's an auction item, you can check the listing. And this is the Morgana DigiFold Pro 385.